Genuine Philips Sonicare rechargeable electric toothbrush replacement heads compatible with all Philips Sonicare click-on rechargeable toothbrush handles. Number 1 recommended power toothbrush brand by dental professionals. Improves gum health up to 100% versus a manual toothbrush. Gently removes up to 6x more plaque along the gum line than a manual toothbrush. BrushSync mode pairing and replacement reminders when used with a BrushSync compatible handle, DiamondClean Smart or ProtectiveClean. The Philips Sonicare G2 Optimal Gum Care Toothbrush Head, formerly ProResults Gum Health, is perfect for those who want a gentle yet optimal plaque removal experience. The outer bristles gently remove plaque from the gum line. Top reviews from the United States. A toothbrush that tells you when to quit and replace it. These are brushes, supplied by Philips Sonicare, for the Sonicare electric toothbrush. They come 3 to a package. I find the brushes to work well, they are comfortable, and I found that the gums got used to it quickly. This model, the G2, has a mechanism that turns on a light on the Sonicare device when it needs to be replaced. It is a good thing to have one spare brush on hand.